The COVID-19 pandemic has affected us in many ways, including various economic sections, out of which cybersecurity is the sector that has undergone major changes. According to a recent report by the FBI, cybercrime incidents have increased by over 600% since the beginning of the pandemic. COVID-19 has exposed several vulnerabilities in organizational security. Therefore, organizations must adopt new strategies to survive and thrive in the new scenario that can help organizations protect themselves from existing and new threats in 2021 and onwards. Those strategies may include embracing technologies such as AI/ML, SIEM, decentralization, and cloud cybersecurity in a new IT security plan can help in real-time threat detection, automatic security updates, and mobile device security. At the same time, they must build trust both internally and externally and raise employee cybersecurity awareness through training. At the same time, decentralization can help address the workforce shortage in an industry faced with ever more sophisticated threats and increasing attack surfaces, upgrades to access to information and talent, and improved data security. Organizations can thus accelerate the detection and mitigation of novel threats. An analyst could highlight suspicious emails and files by sharing intelligence, which would then be automatically distributed to other analysts on the network. Such activities would reduce the time necessary to research new threats and enhance their capacity to respond to attacks. If you're looking for some help with your business's cybersecurity, contact the experts at SinglePoint.